Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best elliptical machines available on the market right now for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a compact under-desk exerciser or a full-body elliptical trainer, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Hodeo Underdesk Elliptical Exercise Machine. This compact elliptical is designed for seniors or anyone who needs a low-impact workout while seated. What sets this machine apart is its 2-in-1 functionality, offering both manual and auto modes with 15 adjustable speed levels. The pedals can move forward and backward, engaging different muscle groups, which makes it great for rehabilitation or light cardio. The design is sleek and portable, with advanced silent technology ensuring a whisper-quiet workout. It features an LCD display that tracks key metrics like speed, time, distance, and calories burned. Plus, the included remote control allows seamless switching between modes without bending over. This is a thoughtful touch for anyone with back issues. The lightweight frame and built-in handle make it easy to store or transport. While the Hodeo excels in portability and ease of use, it's not ideal for users who need a more intense workout or a full-body experience. It's perfect for seniors, office workers, or those recovering from injuries, but not the best choice for advanced cardio enthusiasts. Overall, it's a fantastic option for light activity with minimal strain. At number 4, we have the Marich Underdesk Leg Exerciser. This elliptical machine is tailored towards seniors or users who need a gentle, low-impact workout. The standout features include its 12 adjustable speeds and dual exercise modes, manual and auto, allowing users to customize their workout intensity. The pedals even move forward or backward, giving you flexibility to target different muscle groups. What's impressive about the Marich is its attention to detail. It comes with a remote control for effortless adjustments, and the LCD monitor clearly displays stats like time, distance, calories, and speed. The anti-slip design, with foot straps and included resistance bands, adds versatility, allowing upper body workouts as well. The quiet motor ensures you can exercise without disturbing others, making it ideal for both home and office use. However, the Marich is slightly heavier and bulkier than some other under-desk options, and it may not be suitable for very tight spaces. Its focus on rehabilitation and light activity makes it perfect for seniors or anyone recovering from leg injuries, but less suited for those seeking intensive cardio workouts. Overall, it's a robust and versatile choice for light seated exercises. Coming in at number 3 is the Goog TTR Underdesk Elliptical Machine. This fully assembled elliptical is designed for seniors or anyone seeking a quiet, portable workout solution. With 12 adjustable speeds and both manual and auto modes, it allows you to tailor your workout intensity effortlessly. The bidirectional pedal action targets different muscle groups, making it ideal for rehabilitation and general fitness. The build quality is impressive. With a compact design that fits under most desks, the silent operation ensures you can exercise without disturbing coworkers or family members, and the included remote control adds convenience. No bending over required. Additionally, the lifetime after-sales service is a standout feature, demonstrating the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction. While the Goog TTR performs well as a seated leg exerciser, it's limited by its compact stride length and lack of upper body workout options. It's best suited for light cardio or rehabilitation rather than intense workouts. That said, if you're looking for a reliable, fuss-free elliptical for everyday use, this is a solid choice. At number 2, we have the NiceDay Elliptical Machine, a light commercial-grade elliptical designed for home use. This trainer offers a hyper-quiet magnetic driving system, ensuring an ultra-smooth and silent workout. With a stride length of 15.5 inches and 16 resistance levels, it accommodates users of various heights and fitness levels, making it highly versatile. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a 100-pound mainframe that supports users up to 400 pounds. Its sturdy construction ensures long-term durability, and the machine comes 90% pre-assembled, making setup a breeze. The digital monitor tracks essential workout metrics like time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, helping you stay focused on your goals. While the Nice-Day excels in performance and build quality, its larger footprint may not fit into smaller spaces. It's ideal for users seeking a durable, gym-quality elliptical for home use, but may be overkill for casual exercisers. Overall, it's a premium choice for those serious about their fitness journey. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart 2-in-1 Upright Elliptical. This machine stands out for its versatility as a full-body exerciser with an optional free Sunny Fit app. You can connect your mobile device via Bluetooth and access trainer-led workouts, scenic tours, and progress tracking, all without additional membership fees. The design features an 11-inch bidirectional stride length and 8 levels of magnetic resistance, making it suitable for both beginners and intermediate users. The digital monitor displays essential metrics like calories burned, distance, pulse, speed, and time, keeping you motivated throughout your workout. Its compact size makes it a great choice for home gyms, while the sturdy alloy steel frame ensures durability. While the Sunny Health and Fitness Elliptical is an excellent all-rounder, its weight capacity of 220 pounds may limit some users. Additionally, the stride length may feel short for taller individuals. Despite these minor drawbacks, its smart features, affordability, and full-body workout capabilities make it the best elliptical in our lineup, offering fantastic value for its price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect elliptical machine for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.